We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Shading the entire side of your house and the outdoor air conditioner unit is most effective. This can be done with trees or an awning. Particularly with a brick, masonry or stucco house, the house wall acts like a huge solar collector and actually raises the temperature of the air around the air conditioner.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.